Hello, my name's Sean, and today I'm going to be running you through a Minecraft tutorial of how to get diamonds without a pickaxe. So to begin with, make sure you have Unity open. Make sure you have the real bar scene open, not bar scene 2, not bar scene electric boogaloo, not nut, and not the pre-street dash bar scene. Make sure it is the real bar scene. And then make sure you've also got Steam VR open where it says like this. You've got all your bits there. And of course, make sure you are logged into Steam. So all I'm going to do for now is minimize Steam and minimize Steam VR. What you're going to do is you're going to go to a window and you're going to see this little badger here called Steam VR input. We're going to click on that, left click, just in case you didn't realize. And this is how we make actions in a Steam VR. So as you can see, I've got a lovely selection of actions here. Now, naming the action is actually quite critical. You want to name it something that's not going to cause instability or absolute chaos. So I'm going to name it something, I'm going to make a new action here. So all you do is click on this plus button here and you're greeted with this lovely thing on the side. I'll make sure default is selected at the top as well. Maybe I should have said that prior. All of these you just leave. I'll make sure that's Boolean. Suggested language, English US, English UK, whatever. Just make sure it's bloody English and not bloody French or the bloody pesky snail-eating bastards. Then go on to new and see the name here, new action. That's where you want to name it something strong, something quite stable. So I'm going to call mine get Brexit done. You can name it something like this, or you could name it like Nigel 4 PM. You know, nice stable things. Something very unstable would be Labour, but we're just going to go for get Brexit done. For now, make sure it's a Boolean because we're using it as a button, not one of those really pesky joystick things or a really pesky trigger. So we just leave it as that. Click enter, and then all we do next is we just click save and generate. So then what this will do is it will compile, and if you give it a nice stable name, it should compile fairly quickly. Again, if it's unstable, this can take quite a long time. You'll then be yeeted with this window. Close it, and you can see here we've got our two main things we do focus on there, which is menu press and get Brexit done. We go out and we go back into window up here. We want to go into the Steam VR input again. Sorry, I accidentally closed that. You want to press this button, open binding UI. So when we click on this, we're greeted with whatever our bloody web browser. Oh, for fuck's sake, actual wanker. Oh, what a piss take. Right, give me like 2 seconds. Okay, so we're back. Sorry about that. Turns out Steam VR just fucked about with stuff again. And didn't bother to change it within their file thing or whatever. Maybe because I haven't updated it. That's probably my fault. I'll take the blame anyway because I'm a good guy. Basically, if it comes up with this, yeah, see where it says localhost in that number there, you want to put in. Are you taking the fucking piss? I just copied it. You want to put in 27062 because that is the port for the controllers, and it will take you to. Oh, you fucking prick! I swear to fucking God, Internet Explorer, you absolute wanker! Right. It will take you to this wonderful page. So here we have the official bindings, but what we want to do is we want to go to current binding and we want to go to local changes. Edit. See, now here is where we bind the action that we just created to said button. So as we're using the menu button to make the coins, you can change to the group button if you really want to. I would recommend you don't, but keep it as the menu button. It's a nice one. Notice how I've got it on mirror, so it is mirroring. There was a button somewhere to press mirroring, but they've clearly removed that, which is fair enough. But as you can see here, I've got click menu press. So you can normally click on here, and you can, if you want to add one, you can click the plus button here. So we'd add it as a button. And in button, we've got the click is currently set to nothing, and we can change it. We can put it to our new fandangled variable, which is get Brexit done. So when we click this button, we get Brexit done. I was talking to all the buttons, and you know, all they're saying is they just want to get Brexit done at this point. So obviously keep it as menu press. Menu press is my personal favourite, but this one I'm going to delete. So we've got it as menu press. What we can now do is just save that. Save as personal. No. You just press back, I'm pretty sure. Last updated, yeah, so if you just press back, hit last updated, don't press save, just press back, and it should say that it is last updated, should be now. Okay, so we can close this, and then now we can go to our player. Now this will already be here when you do it, so we go to player, Steam VR objects, and we've got left hand and bloody right hand. Now on both these, so we're going to start with the left hand eye. We'll go down here and see we've got coin is coin boy, hand type left hand because it's the left hand, and coin spawn is whatever our action is. So we've got here, we've got menu press, again we've got get Brexit done, we've got headset on head, grab pinch, whatever you want, but we're going to keep it as menu press. Just put that coin spawn to whatever the new action you made was. Then obviously do the same for the right hand, but make sure that right hand, the hand type, is set to right hand. So all that basically does then is when you press the menu button in the game, you the coin spawns wherever the hands is.